Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the bowling statistics. So please walk through with me. Let me show you the Python code. So So the data was collected up to 29 matches only. So up to 29 matches, I'm going to explain how the bowler's performance that I'm going to explain in this video. So first let me load the data set. So df bowling is equal to sorry. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. So, import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, import seaborn as sns. So now let me load the data set. So df bowling is equal to pd dot read underscore excel. The data set is click info data, sheet name, bowling. So here is the data set. So the first column is player name and how many matches he played in this cricket tournament, because this data was up to 29 matches only. So he played a number of matches and number of innings and total balls. He bowled 294 jumper, bowled total 294 balls and the total overs are 49, and how many maidens? It is 1, and total runs given to the opponent, that is 305, and number of wickets is 16 and the economy is 6.22. So what is the economy? Economy is nothing but the number of balls, the total number of runs divided by for overs. So let me show you the economy means. So economy is nothing but total runs. 305 is the total runs divided by number of overs, that is 49. So here you can see the economy of this bowler is 6.22. So that is jumper. So this is the data which I collected from the Cricinfo website and I customized and I prepared my own data set. So if anyone want the data set, so please subscribe the channel and put a comment in the comment box and send me an email to the Siri algorithms at the rate of gmail.com, so that I will share you the data set with you. So now let's check the shape of the data here. The total is 73 rows and 9 columns. So df bowling dot d types, if you want to see what type of data is there in the each column, so the player name is in the object form and matches, innings, these all are in the integer form, and overs it is in the float form, and remaining all in the integer and float. So if you want to see the complete data frame information, so you can take like a info of. This is the complete data frame information. So total 73 entries. That means the index value started from 0 to 72 rows. Total number of columns is 9. And here it is the column names. And there is no missing information. Non-null means there is no missing information in any of the column. And the type of the data in the each column, that is nothing but D type. And total out of these 9 columns, 2 columns it is in the float form and 6 it is in the integer form and 1 in the object form. The total memory usage is 5.3 KB. Now let's continue. Let's check the is there any missing information is there in the any of the column or maybe row. Let's just write like a df bowling dot is null of. So it is going to give like a boolean expression true or false. If any of the column or maybe row is having the value of true, means there the missing information is there. But now you can see all are false. That means there is no missing information, but the some part of the information we not able to see it here. So let's take the simplest thing is sum of. You can take this way. You can see there is no missing information in any of the column. Next, if you want to see a particular player information, that means a particular bowler information, if you want to see, just write like a variable name, that is df bowling of. You can write like a df bowling of which column information you want to see. Maybe I want to see the details of the jumper. So just take the, sorry, the column name, you can take it. Control C, the player, the column equal to, I want to see this particular player information out of this data frame. So just take this and take it here. You can see this is the only jumper information. So here he totally 294 balls bowled and given 305 runs to the opponent. So the economy rate is 6.22, but the wickets is total 16 wickets in out of all 6 matches. So this is the details of the particular player. Maybe if you want to see some other player information, just take the maybe Boomra. You can take it here. Boomra information. So you can see so he totally 14 wickets and total balls is 323 and given the runs to the opponent is 211. So the economy rate is to the good economy rate. Here you can see if the economy rate is low, means he is a very good performer. So he is a better performer in the game. So 3.91 is the economy rate of this player. So let's do the next thing. I'm going to sort the data based on some conditions to see the top players, top bowlers in this tournament, in the up to this 29 matches. So I'm taking like a top performers. Before going to see the top performers, maybe I'm going to check the maidens column. So you can take like a DF bowling of maidens here. You just take the column name here. Maidens dot Unix. You can check how many unique classes are there in this. Now you can see total Some players they haven't made any maidens, but some players six maidens in all the matches, and some are five, some are four. Like these are the whole column. If we take the whole maidens column, these are the unique values. Let's take the value counts. So maidens is nothing but if you have like a the high number, that means the bowler is very good maidens in the tournament. So I'm just taking like a DF bowling of maidens. Just take it. Dot value counts. So here you can see 27 players out of total. Here we have like a total 73 players here. In the 73 players, 27 players, they don't have any maidens, zero maidens. 25, they have like a one maiden. And you can see one player, he's made total, one player is there. He made total six maidens in these games out of all the six matches. So let me sort the data, the top performers based on certain conditions here. I'm taking like a top players. Top players is equal to PF of maybe if I want to show you an visualization on this data, let me show you the visualization. So let me show you the counter plot to draw the maidens, the visualization part. So SNS dot count plot of DF bowling of, we are going to take like a maidens. You can see it here, the nice visualization. So there are 27 players, but there is no maidens, zero maidens. 25 players made one maiden in this. And here you can see the only one person made six maidens out of all the matches. So let me show you top players based on some conditions. I'm going to write some conditions. Based on that, I'm going to sort the data. So top players is equal to DF bowling of, I'm taking some conditions here. DF bowling of, I'm going to take some, maybe let me take the column names here first. So DF bowling dot columns. I'm going to sort the data based on this thing, overs. At least the overs is greater than equal to 20. That means that the player at least he played like a more than or maybe equal to 20 overs. And DF bowling of, I'm going to take maidens, at least two maidens. And economy, I'm going to take like a DF bowling of economy is less than 5.0. So based on these conditions, at least that player is more than 20 overs and minimum 2 maidens and less than 5 economy rate. Based on this, I'm going to sort the top players. Here is the list. You can see Bumrah, Jadeja, Dutt, and these are the Muhammad Nabi. So these all are the players are having based on these conditions I sorted. These are the top performers on this data. Now let me show you based on the wickets based. I'm going to sort the data. So DF bowling off. I'm going to take like a so wickets based. I'm going to sort it. DF bowling dot sort values of by is equal to here. I'm going to pass the column name. So I'm going to sort based on the wickets which are the top performers. So wickets ascending is equal to I'm going to take like a false. I'm going to take like a top five players. So I'm taking like a head off here. So these all are the top five players. If I sort the data based on the wickets, the highest wickets, that means max to min. So Jampa total 16 wickets and economy rate is 6.22, the economy rate, and Santner 14 wickets but economy rate is 4.90. Like this I sorted. Maybe now I'm going to sort the data based on the economy, which one have the lowest economy rate. So let's take this same and I'm going to sort the instead of wickets I'm taking the column based is economy. So economy based and head off. You can see. So I'm going to take like a min to max, not the max to min. Economy rate, low economy rate is Matthews 2.80 is the economy rate, but wickets is only 2, and Ashwin 3.40. So you can sort the players based on the wickets or economy. And now you can sort the data both, like you can take it at a time like a two columns. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to sort the data based on the two columns. One is economy based and second one is wickets based. I'm going to take here. And here I'm taking like a max to min. Instead of this, I'm going to take like a max to min. Now you can see. This is the data. These are the top performers. If I sort the data based on the wickets and economy. So this is the this data was I explained here up to 29 matches only in this cricket World Cup tournament. So thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget.